The Wii U is Nintendo's greatest failure, and Nintendo has dropped support for it since the end of 2017. Although hackers seem to not developing new apps and tools for the Wii U, still it is interesting to hack it. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to do it. So, let's get started. You need a Wii U from any region with firmware between 550 and 554. And your console should be able to access the Nintendo eShop, since we need to buy a game from it. Prepare a FAT32 formatted SD card with at least 16GB or 32GB for dumping and installing games. First, let's open the system settings to find out the firmware version. My console firmware is on 553, and this is the latest version if you have a US region console. If your console firmware is lower than 550, then update it to the latest version. Some of you will end up having firmware 554, but you don't have to worry about it, because firmware 554 is the latest version for European region console. Close the system settings for now. Now open the eShop. We will need to buy a GS Virtual Console game to hack the console, so prepare your credit card or gift card. Type in Brain Age. This is the cheapest game you can buy to hack the console. I've bought this game before, so I just need to re-download it. If you have a Japanese region console, then buy and download the same game too. So go ahead, click the game icon, and proceed with buying and downloading that game. You can now press the home button to get back to the home screen. You can press the download management to see the downloading process. And if everything is good, you may get back to the home screen. And you should see the Brain Age game icon on the home screen. The next thing to do is to prepare an SD card. Download the UI format to format your SD card as FAT32. Click the picture to get it. Then download the Wii U all-in-one package. See the link in the description below. So this is my SD card. First, you need to open its properties to see its file system. If your SD card file system is exFAT, then you need to format it as FAT32 using GUI format. Now remember your SD card drive letter. For my case, the drive letter is H. Then close the File Explorer. Run GUI format. Select your SD card drive letter. And make sure the allocation unit size is 32K. Then press Start to format it. And when you see its properties, the SD card is now using FAT32 file system. Open the Wii U all-in-one package with WinRAR or Z1zip. Then extract all its content into the SD card. Insert the SD card into the console. Open the internet browser. Then open this URL. press the Run Homebrew Launcher button. If you see this screen, then check your SD card. Make sure it is formatted as FAT32 or try ejecting and reinserting the SD card. By the way, the tablet screen protector is heavily damaged, so I'm so sorry you might not be able to see it very clearly. Press and hold the power button to turn off the console. Then turn on the console using any power button. Reopen the internet browser. And re-enter the exploit website. Press the button to continue. When everything is good, you will open the Homebrew Launcher. Now run the NAND dumper. Make sure you set it up like this one, no need to alter any option. Then press A to backup the console's NAND to your SD card. Please be patient as it will take some time to finish. It will automatically reboot it after backing up the console's NAND. Now reopen the internet browser. And reopen the exploit website. Rerun the Homebrew Launcher. Slide right and choose HAXCHI. You will see the downloaded game title from the eShop. In my case, it is Brain Age. Press A to continue. Then press A again to install HAXCHI. The Brain Age game or your downloaded game is now converted to HAXCHI. Run HAXCHI, then hold the A button to get into the Homebrew Launcher. HAXCHI is not permanent, so you need to run it every time you want to get custom firmware. To get permanent HAXCHI, you need cold boot HAXCHI. Just like HAXCHI, you will see your downloaded game title here. Press A to continue. And then press A again to confirm. If you see this error notification, then my solution is to rerun cold boot HAXCHI. The console will reboot by itself. Rerun HAXCHI by pressing and holding the A button. Then rerun cold boot HAXCHI installer. Again, press the A button twice. Now the HAXCHI icon turned into a warning icon. Turn off the console for now. Then turn it on. Move the cursor down to Auto Boot Options, then press A to change it to System Menu. Then select Boot System Menu. Now move the warning icon to the last page to avoid breaking your device. And you must also read these rules to avoid breaking the console. Go back to the first page, then reboot the console. Soon after the screen turns black, press and hold the home button to open the Cold Boot HAXCHI boot menu. Now select Boot Homebrew Launcher, then press A to confirm it. Slide to the right, then choose WUB Installer GX2. Select HPC, then press Install. Select NAND. The console will reboot and start installing the app. Press the home button to quit the installer. And again, press the home button to quit the Homebrew launcher. Now you will see the Homebrew launcher icon on the home screen. At this step, you have successfully hacked the Nintendo Wii U. The next step is to move the console's NAND to the computer, so remove the SD card from the console. Create a folder on your computer. Then drag all the binary files into the newly created folder. And you can delete all the binary files on your SD card to save space. And you have completed the guide on how to hack your Wii U using HAXCHI and Cold Boot HAXCHI. Thanks for watching and see you guys later.